Hello everyone, welcome back to Technical World. If you are a football lover and you want to watch live football World Cup on your iPhone and iPad, then you are at the right place because today in this video I'm going to show you how to watch the football World Cup in your iPhone and iPad with a single app. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we are going to launch the App Store. Here we have to search for FootMop and you will see this application. Let me show you something about this application. Follow every match, never miss a goal, play rating as well, lock screen widget, player profile, detail store, live text commentary and something like that. I already have this application. Now tap to open. After launching the app, you just click next and you have this interface of the website, the application. Here we have 5 big options. Number 1, matches, then news, here leagues, following and more. Now tap on matches. Here you will see today match, tomorrow, and also yesterday and Saturday 19 November and everything like that. If you tap on today, here we have option the World Cup. Now tap on World Cup. Now we have World Cup International 2022. If you want to see the previous one, then select the year. Here you have everything to see the football World Cup coverage, goal, teams and everything. This is the super application to coverage the football World Cup 2022 your iPhone and iPad and iPod Touch as well. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.